Hey everybody, it's Jim with ServiceMedia, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the ServiceMedia platform, which is a content management system for immersive media, meaning real-time, interactive 3D. Could be virtual, could be augmented, could be both. I initially developed this for the Unity game engine, and it works great to reduce the friction around publishing and updating Unity apps. But now the system also supports WebXR, which is a very promising web standard that's just come out that I'll talk more about in just a moment. But so you can think of Service Media as kind of like WordPress for 3D, in that it does everything at runtime, provisions all the content dynamically into a single empty scene, which gives you the same linkability and accessibility, instant publishing and updating, and some of the same capabilities that we have on the modern web with tools like WordPress, but for immersive media. So let's take a look. It's a full featured CMS built ground up with a 3D first data model, but incorporating familiar CMS features like user management, file management, template management, and publishing automation. And I'll do some tutorials and more in-depth videos later, but for now I just want to show how a scene can be instantly updated and give you a look at what the system kind of looks like. So here is the dashboard with just some sample content. Now, the the main component, the main container here, that's kind of the equivalent of a node in Drupal or a page in WordPress, is the scene. Um, that's where all the template and file and other information is brought together. So Austin Blues Radio is a very cool local radio station, uh, or web radio station, and here we are with all the different categories for the scene container. If we look through here briefly, it's a lot of stuff. It's everything that you would have for web content, but also a lot of 3D specific and game specific stuff, most of which will is applicable to the WebXR context. I haven't got it all wired over yet, but let's take a look at what this um, scene looks like. So here we have a model of the city. We've got some pictures instantiated around in a circle. We've got a web radio station. Let's see if it plays. Jimmy Bond. Oh no, Pine Top. So so yeah, this is an A-frame scene using the latest WebXR API. What's exciting about this is this scene, I'm navigating it with keyboard and mouse on a standalone. You can also use this touch input on a mobile device. You can also look at this page in a VR headset, and you'll get, if you click the VR button here, you'll get head and hand tracking and full immersion in the VR scene. And not only that, one more thing, you get the AR capability. If you're on a mobile device with the AR core capability, the AR button will appear right here. And if you click that, you get camera tracking and camera pass through. So this one scene has a huge functional capability, and all we're looking at here is JavaScript, HTML, and web standards at work. So I think it's a very exciting time. Anyway, let me just show you how this kind of scene can be updated. Let's say we want a different picture here. I'll go and select a new one. Let's have a beach. Make sure it was loaded. Yep, there it is. And let's change the sky color. The sky color was kind of weird. Let's say we wanted a little more like so. And let's scale that model that we had. Here you can see in the locations we've got the geographic and world space positions where we can set things and scale and rotate them. And so this thing, let's say, let's double the size of it. Must have been very large when it was imported. Okay, so we confirm that. Now we take a look here. And yes, we see a different color on the sky. The model has been scaled. And do we have a beach? Oh, there's our beach picture. Um, Now, one more thing, we've also got multiplayer here. And if I go to another instance of the scene, we can see, hey, there's the other guy. Um, so anyway, if this looks interesting to you, go to servicemedia.net and reach out. My name's Jim Cherry. I'm the developer and founder of ServiceMedia. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.